Good morning, students. Today we discuss on division. Everyone know that how to multiply the two numbers. Now we have to discuss about how to divide the numbers. Before that, we have to discuss what is division or what is meant by division or definition of division. Division is a splitting in a equal part or a group. Means we have to split, or it is the result of fair sharing. Sign of division. See, this is a sign of a division, like this. I hope you understand. Let's see some example. In first example, there are 12 chocolate and 3 friends want to share them. How do they divide the chocolate? Means there are 3 friends and they're having a 12 chocolate, and they want to divide this chocolate in equally into them. For that purpose, we have to divide. Means how many chocolates are there? 12 chocolates. We have to divide that 12 chocolate into 3 friends. Means that is why we have to divide 12 chocolate divided into 3 equal part. We are making such a equation, 12 divided by 3. Now everyone know that how to divide the numbers. This is our regular procedure. I'm doing like this. I'm writing here 12, here 3. This 3 is a divisor, this dividend. Now everyone know that. First I'm writing the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 6, 2s are 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on, like this. Now everyone know that this is the 12. We have to find the number near to the 12 or exactly 12, near to the 12 or exactly 12 in a table of 3. Now you can see this. In table of 3 there is a 12 is present. Just see at 4 number. Now I'm writing here 4 and I'm subtracting 12 from the this 12. I'm getting the answer 0. This answer 4 is your quotient and this is your remainder. I hope you understand how to divide, because you learn in 4th standards also. Now let's see a next example. Dividing a 3-digit number by a single digit number. Means here we discuss 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Now we have to divide a 3-digit number by a single digit number. Now let's see an example. 629 divided by 4. We have to divide this. For this purpose I'm using a regular method. How to divide? I'm drawing like this. I'm writing this is your dividend 629 and this is your divisor. Now we have to divide. How to divide? First, for that purpose we must have to know the table of 4. Now I'm writing the table of 4 here. Now let's see. Here 6. First number is 6. Now 4 is less than the 6, then we have to check the number near to the 6 or less than 6 in the table of 4. Now check this. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 is bigger than 6, but we have to find out the number which is less than 6 or near to 6. This is 4, means 4 ones are 4. I'm writing 1 here and I'm subtracting 4 from this. 6 minus 4, 2. Now second number, I'll take that downside and this number will be a 22. Now check the number near to 22 in a table of 4 or less than 22. Now check. You can observe this 20 and 24, means 22 is between. 24 is bigger than 22, that is why we are not considering that one. Now I'm taking this number 20, 20, Then 4 5s are 20. 20 subtract from the 22, we get the 2. Now last number is here, I'm taking a downside. After that this number will be a 29. Now we have to check the number near to the 29 or less than 29 in the table of 4. You can observe this 29 is between 28 and 32. Okay, means 32 is bigger than, that is why we are not considering that number, and we have to take 28. Then we know that 4 8s are 28. We have to subtract this 28 from the 29. 9 minus 8 1 and 2 minus 2 0. Now this is the 1 is less than 4. Now we not required to divide this number. Now we have to write the answer. This 158 is your quotient, this is your remainder 1, this is your dividend, and this is your divisor. I hope you understand. Means whenever you divide 629 we divided by 4, we get the answer 58. This is your quotient, 1 is your remainder. I hope you understand. Like that you have to solve. See next example. Division. Forming a word problem. Division word problem can be a form using them like split equally, equal parts, shared equally, shared between each other, like this. Means whenever we see the example, means word example, there are some words arises like split equally, equal parts, or shared equally. This type of word arises in the given example. Then you can say that the given example of division. Let's see example. There are 35 marbles. 35 marbles are to be a split. Now you can see the split word. Split means we have to divide. Split equally among the 5 kids. How many marbles does each one get? Means we have to divide the 35 marbles into 5 kids, and we have to find out the how many each of one get. 35 divided by, means how many marbles are there? 35 marbles, and we have to divide into equally how many students or how many kids? 5. Then 35 divided by 5. Now we have to follow the procedure like this. Here I am writing 35 and here I am writing 5. Now first you have to write the table of 5 to better understand. Now everyone know that we have to find out the number near to the 35 or less than 35 in a table of 5. Check here. 5 on the 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Now we can observe that the 35 is present in the table of 5. Then at which number? 7. 5 7 the 35. Subtract the 35 from the 35 and we get the answer. 35 minus 35 is 0. This is your number of kid. How many kids are there? 5 kids. Then answer, marble each kid gets, means your quotient is your marbles which we have to divide into the students, and number of marbles. How many marbles are there? 35. Means if we divide 35 marbles in the 5 kid, each student or each kid get a 7 marble. I hope you understand. Each kid gets a 7 marble. I hope you understand. Like that you can solve the next question. Radha had 54 cookies. She gave a 6 cookies to each friend. How many friends got a cookies? Means how many cookies are there? 54, and we have to divide into the 6 friend. Therefore we have to, means there is one word divide cookies each friend. 54 divided by 6. Now we have to use the regular process. 55 divided by 6. Now we have to write the table of 6, and we have to check the number which is near to the 54 in a table of 6. You can observe that at 9, in 6 nines are 54. I am writing 9 here, minus subtracting 54 from this 54, we are getting 0. 54 minus 54, 54. Okay, now this is your number of friend who get the cookies, means this is your quotient. And how many, means if we divide the 54 cookies in 6 friend, the each friend get a 9 cookies. I hope you understand, and if you are getting problem, just call me, I'll get back to you.